You Can Win, written by the famous Indian author Shiv Khera. So there was a farmer named Hafiz who lived in Africa. He was really happy and content. One day, a wise man visited him and told him about the glory of diamonds and the power that comes along with him. He said that if you had a diamond the size of your thumb, you can buy a city. If you had a diamond the size of your fist, you can probably buy your own country. Hafiz didn't sleep that night. This statement made him really discontent and unhappy. And this is related to our real lives, where other people's auto-suggestion affect our perspective and attitude towards our life. Back to the story. Hafiz next day made the arrangements to sell his farm and went in the search of diamonds. He searched all over Africa but couldn't find any. He searched all over Europe but couldn't find any. He searched all over Asia but couldn't find any. And by the time he got Spain, he was emotionally, physically and economically broken. He was so disheartened that he threw himself into the Barnala river and committed suicide. Back to the farm, the owner who had bought his farm was watering the camels at the stream, and he picked up a stone which was sparkling, and he thought that it would look good in his collection, so he kept it. That afternoon, the wise man again visited the farm and asked the new owner, "Is Hafiz back?" The owner replied, "No, but why are you asking?" He said that because the stone which you kept is actually a diamond. And in reality, the owner had a room full of such collected stones. So the reality was, the farm which Hafiz owned had acres and acres of diamonds. From this, we learn that lost opportunities are better recognized when they are going rather than when are coming. You know what? People who don't know how to recognize opportunities complain of noise when they're knocking right at your door. One should be grateful for whatever one has, because you may lose the silver and gold you have in search of diamonds. Attitude for gratitude is the essence of life. Thank you. Have a cheerful day ahead.